Hi, welcome to the customization of corpus-based MT engines tutorial series. Through the gap analysis, we will be able to identify those false positives and add them in a list, so that the engine ignores those specific words. The gap analysis can be accessed by clicking on the Build Analytics icon of the corresponding engine you want to check. Then, click on Gap Analysis. From this window, you can see all unknown words and add them to a Ignore Word list. You may also download an Excel file and work from it. Here is an Ignore Word list, a simple list of false positives that your engine should ignore while translating. We have finally accomplished to complete our refinement action plan. We are now ready to retrain our engine. Keep watching to check out the final outcomes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like it. MT technology for everyone.